Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Fluent, the place where English becomes easy and fun. I'm Paul. Today, I'm going to save you from 20 of the most common English mistakes learners make every single day. And I promise, once you fix these, your English will sound instantly more natural. But first, let me ask you, have you ever said something in English and the native speaker gave you that look? Yeah, that one. Let's fix that today. Stay until the end because mistake is something even advanced speakers still get wrong. So, let's start. Mistake number 1. Resume. Wrong. Resume. Right. Resume. If you say resume, people will think you are talking about Zoom meetings. Mistake number 2. Comfortable. Wrong. Comfortable. Right. Comfortable. We don't pronounce every syllable. English is lazy. Embrace it. Mistake number 3. Dessert versus dessert. Remember, desert means dry place. Dessert is the good stuff. Mistake number 4. He don't like it. Wrong. He don't like it. Right. He doesn't like it. This is the fastest way to sound instantly more fluent. Mistake number 5. I am agree. Wrong. I am agree. Right. I agree. Agree is not a feeling, it's an action. Mistake number 6. She do homework every day. Wrong. She do. Right. She does. Small change, huge difference. Mistake number 7. I have 30 years. Wrong. I have 30 years. Right. I am 30 years old. We are not collecting ages like Pokemon cards. Mistake number 8. Close the lights. Wrong. Close the lights. Right. Turn off the lights. Mistake number 9. Open the TV. Wrong. Open the TV. Right. Turn on the TV. Mistake number 10. More better. Wrong. More better. Right. Better. English does not stack comparatives. Let me tell you a quick story. One day, I had a student named Maria. Super smart, hardworking, but she kept saying one sentence that confused everyone. She said, I am boring. I looked at her and said, Maria, do you mean you are boring or you are bored? She froze. Then she laughed so hard she fell off the chair because she realized she had been telling everyone for 2 years that she was boring. See? One tiny mistake can change your entire meaning. Now, let's fix more. More common mistakes. 11. Discuss about turns into discuss. 12. I didn't went turns into I didn't go. 13. It depends of turns into it depends on. 14. I am studying since 2015 turns into I have been studying since 2015. 15. I want to drink a medicine turns into take medicine. 16. I am interested in turns into I am interested in. 17. Let's meet tomorrow on 5 p.m. turns into at 5 p.m. Sounds less aggressive and much more natural. 18. Do you understand me? Turns into do you understand? 19. I suggest you to turns into I suggest you. 20. I didn't understood turns into I didn't understand. Remember, English isn't about being perfect. It's about fixing the small mistakes that create big improvements. Correct these 20, and your English instantly jumps to the next level. If you learned even one new thing today, hit that like button because it helps more learners find this lesson. And tell me in the comments, which mistake have you been making without knowing it? Be honest. I'll reply to as many comments as I can. And of course, if you want more fun, simple English lessons, subscribe to Mr. Fluent, where English becomes easy and you become fluent. See you in the next video.